Alright, so I'm going to show you how this is all going to go down. Alright, so in this area right here, this is where I'm going to show you the actual code, as in the HTML that makes the page. And down here is what the output is going to be. So let me just go over a nice little explanation about how website stuff works with HTML and stuff. Whenever you see a website, it's made up of code called HTML, and the HTML just says, how it's supposed to look. Now, you could make a website by just not have any kind of structure or styling at all, by just typing, a text file or something, and pointing your browser to that, and you could just do, hello, and then it would show up, and that's fine, but nobody would want to go to your website because it's ugly. So we're going to make a nice, pretty website. We're going to start by showing you one of the HTML tags that you will use many times, and that one is called a header tag. Now, there are several different types of header tags, ranging from 1 to probably about 3 or 4. And those header tags are just, how big your text is. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So in my HTML, this top part right here, I'm going to put in H1 in angle brackets. Now, any HTML tag is going to be inside angle brackets. You're going to have an opening angle bracket, and then whatever kind of tag it is, and then your closing angle bracket. And then you're going to put in whatever you want it to say. So you could say, hi there. Now, every time you put an HTML tag, you have to close it, except in certain situations, which I will tell you when that time comes. So, in order to close the HTML tag, you need to do opening angle bracket, and then a /, and then H1. Or it needs to match what your opening one was. So, now we have some nice big text in our H1 tags. So what happens if you do an H2 tag? Hey, that text is smaller. Same thing with an H3 tag. So that's how you do header tags.